Okay, for the running stitch. This stitch is very easy and you can start from right to left or left to right. Insert the needle and bring the needle down the fabric, and you're going to bring the needle up and pass it through, and this stitches goes down, up and down. Make sure the distance are the same and trying to keep the same distance as you go along. The other way is, well, depending on which one is easier for you, but you insert the needle and scoop up a little bit of fabric. I usually help myself a bit with my finger from the back to take the fabric and pass it through and continue like this. I usually use the first method because I feel I can control the threads distance better. You can play with the distance. This stitch is very versatile. So for example, in this case, you can make the more space out, like in the first line, or smaller, like in the second. They are usually, well, more stitches, but this one you can use it for make decorations or to give shape, for example, when a bee flies. So I hope it helps you a little bit, and I hope you use it. Bye.